You can take your customer to your website after their payment with the payment link archetype. So go ahead, click on the payment option over here and select the payment link option to go to your list of the available payment link. First of all, if you don't have any payment link, you can absolutely create a new one by clicking on this create a payment link button. And if you do have any, just click on the three dots besides that specific payment link, then choose the edit option. Under the select type option, click on after payment option over here, and under the confirmation page section, choose on don't show confirmation page, and you can start to enter your own page, social media, or your website page, and also website link. And after that, don't forget to click on the update link button to save your progress. Later on, your customers will be redirected to your website after the payment has been confirmed. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.